Number 1. The 1974 Pontiac GTO, priced at $8,500. This maroon hatchback features a functional shaker hood. According to the description, it currently uses a Chevy 350 engine, but a Pontiac engine is also included if needed. The body shows signs of aging, with dull paint, and the interior needs some repairs, including a worn steering wheel and a few shabby parts. The trunk is spacious, and the engine bay is tidy, though some components may require attention. The car runs well and is usable, making it a rare 1974 GTO model worth considering, especially for collectors. Number 2. The 1970 Ford Torino, priced at $14,000. Powered by a 351 Windsor engine equipped with a new carburetor, new headers, and a mild camshaft. The engine is well maintained, with chrome Ford racing valve covers and an air filter adding aesthetic appeal. The C4 automatic transmission ensures smooth operation. The exterior, painted in medium lime poly, shines nicely but isn't show quality. The interior is clean, with seats, carpets, door panels, and the dashboard in good condition, offering a comfortable feel. The underside and trunk are free of significant damage, indicating good care. This car isn't a high-end collectible, but is a solid option for 1970s muscle car enthusiasts seeking performance and classic style. The price includes buyer-arranged shipping options. Number 3. The 1969 Mercury Cougar XR7, priced at $14,000, is generally in good condition for its 55-year age. Used as a daily driver, it retains many original elements. The exterior was repainted black about 15 years ago from its original light ivy yellow, with chrome bumpers and seat interiors showing natural wear. The 351 Windsor 4-barrel engine remains powerful, but some features like AC and cruise control are disconnected. Mechanical upgrades include new floors, power brake lines, fuel lines, steering components, suspension, and interior carpeting. A new sequential light system is installed, and the vacuum-operated headlamp covers are functional. However, door, window, and trunk seals need replacing. Additional interior components like sail panels and front window mechanisms are included but not installed. This car attracts attention on the road, appealing to enthusiasts who value its history and originality. Number 4. The 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, priced at $13,000 and located in Alamo, Texas. The car features a matching 350 engine with an automatic transmission, cold AC, power steering, and disc brakes. It runs well without mechanical issues. The body is solid, including the floors and trunk, though the paint shows some cracks and scratches, making it more suitable as a daily driver or for events like cars and coffee. The red interior is well maintained, while the underside is sturdy and free from major rust. The car comes with a clean Texas title, and the seller is willing to arrange shipping at the buyer's expense. Number 5. The 1966 Plymouth Fury 3rd, priced at $6,000, features several modifications. It has a rebuilt 360 Ci V8 engine by Jack Tant, a renowned NASCAR engine builder, along with an aluminum radiator, MSD ignition system, headers, and side exhaust. The transmission is also rebuilt. The underbody remains solid, but the exterior, particularly the lower quarter panels and trunk lid, shows rust or corrosion damage. The interior requires attention, with torn seat upholstery. Last driven on the road in 2022, it needs a new battery and a tune-up for optimal operation. Number 6. The 1972 Ford Capri, priced at $18,000, is equipped with a Cologne V6 2600 engine built by Ford in Germany. The car is in exceptional condition, with a bright yellow body and a classic sporty look. It has had only 2 owners and has been well garaged in Brooklyn, NY, with zero rust underneath. Recent maintenance includes a new clutch, calipers, brakes, wheels, and tires. 5 original wheels are included, making it a valuable collector's item. The clean black leather interior and well-maintained engine bay add to its appeal. This vintage vehicle is ready for use or collection. Number 7. The 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air, priced at $17,000. This two-door hardtop sports car features the iconic two-tone color combination of India ivory and dusk plum. The exterior shines with classic chrome accents on the bumpers, trim, and other accessories. The interior showcases black vinyl seats with ample space for 6 passengers, complemented by a B&M floor shifter. The engine has been upgraded to a Chevrolet 350 V8 for optimal performance, supported by a turbo 350 3-speed automatic transmission and dual exhaust with chrome tips for a sporty touch. Although the car retains 4-wheel drum brakes, the braking system works well. Recent upgrades include a tune-up and replacement of ignition, fuel, and belts. It runs smoothly, but needs attention to areas like the floor and body mounts to restore it fully. This car presents an exciting opportunity for collectors as an investment or restoration project. Number 8. The 1964 Plymouth Signet, priced at $15,000, features a silver exterior with a black fabric top. The car has a neat and clean black interior with power steering, front disc brakes, and a push-button automatic transmission, used last in this model. Its slant-6 engine with a Holley 4-barrel carburetor delivers good performance. American racing wheels add a sporty and elegant touch. The car also includes a power-operated convertible top, a CD player, and a Posey rear axle for better traction. The underside is in good condition, with minimal signs of major damage. Overall, it is a well-maintained car in good running condition. Number 9. The 1966 Pontiac Grand Prix, priced at $17,000, is in generally good condition. Powered by a 389 engine with a 400 automatic transmission, the car is claimed to run and function well. A new cold case radiator has been installed, making it road-ready. The interior is in very good condition, while the exterior is decent for a 58-year-old vehicle, but could benefit from a repaint for perfection. There is a significant dent on the left rear quarter panel. The floors and trunk are solid with no major damage. The car is reasonably priced or negotiable, and it will soon move from Redford MI to Gulfport MS. No trade offers are accepted. Number 10. The 1966 Buick Electra 225, priced at $6,000, is a 4-door hardtop with classic features like power windows and 6-way adjustable seats. The interior is black vinyl and well-preserved. Powered by a Wildcat 445 engine with a 401 cubic inch capacity and a 3-speed Hydra-Matic automatic transmission, it has received updates such as a new electronic ignition system and an electric fuel pump. Overall, the car is in good condition and runs smoothly, though minor repairs are needed. Its solid bodywork and timeless design add to its charm. Number 11. The 1974 Chevrolet Nova, priced at $12,000, features a solid body and a high-performance engine. It is equipped with a small block Chevy, SBC, 350 engine with modified bottom end, a 292 HO camshaft, and a new Phytech EFI system. Additional upgrades include a TH400 transmission, new floors, carpets, seats, rear end, windshield, headlights, fuel cell, fuel pump, and fuel lines. A new exhaust system is also installed. However, the factory drum brakes are considered inadequate for the car's power, and a braking system upgrade is recommended. A high-output alternator is also suggested for optimal support of lights, fans, and EFI. The car's appearance has been modified to resemble the 1968-1972 Nova models. Although it is powerful and roadworthy, the owner is selling it due to financial needs. Number 12. The 1974 Plymouth Duster, priced at $8,000, features a slant-6 engine with a 3-speed manual floor transmission. The car is generally solid, having been stored indoors for 20 years, but it needs some repairs. The rear driver's side floor pan requires replacement, and the braking system needs attention. Photos show the interior is well preserved, with the rear seats and dashboard in good condition despite signs of aging. The exterior, painted yellow with classic black stripes, remains intact, though some wear is visible. The engine is complete and drivable, but may require refreshing. Priced affordably, the seller is open to trades for hot rods, Harleys, or vintage ULH engine parts. This car is ideal for classic car enthusiasts seeking a light project. Number 13. The 1975 AMC Pacer, priced at $10,000, boasts a striking red exterior with a matching red interior featuring unique seat patterns. With only 41,000 miles, the car was stored for 38 years before being revived in 2020. Since then, it has undergone repairs and has been driven for 1,000 miles. Though there is a minor exhaust leak, the car is in good condition for its age and status as a collector's item. This Pacer combines retro design with historical significance, making it a unique and attractive classic vehicle. Number 14. The 1973 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, priced at $13,000, is in excellent condition. Powered by a strong 350 V8 engine and an automatic transmission, the car includes features such as power steering, Kragar SS wheels, and dual exhausts. The well-maintained interior provides comfort and originality. The glossy white exterior enhances its elegant classic appeal. The trunk is clean and organized with a mounted spare tire. The car's underside is solid, with no major rust or damage. It is described as a reliable and comfortable vehicle for long drives. Financing and shipping options are available to make it more accessible to potential buyers. Number 15. The 1972 Pontiac Grand Prix, priced at $9,000, requires some maintenance to restore it to its prime condition. The interior retains its classic brown design but shows signs of wear, such as worn seats. The exterior has minor surface rust and peeling clear coat. Some components, like the exhaust system, need repair. Despite these issues, the car is equipped with a 400 V8 engine that reportedly ran well when last parked. It also features power windows, which add to its classic value. With proper attention, this car has great potential to become a stunning collector's item. Classic cars are not just vehicles, they're pieces of history you can own. Find your dream ride with us. See you in the next video.